Hey, what's up, guys? This is Delmos Karts. I'm Mike.
I'm Chris.
And this is the Sand Buggy. These big wheels make you drift, swerve around. Best wheels out here. How do you like it, Chris?
I like it a lot. You could see in the video later that we're just drifting around in this little baseball field near a park. And it's just been really fun going around in this thing. We're just giving you guys a little taste of the kind of stuff that we're going to try to be doing. Go-kart builds, stuff like that. We're going to show tutorials, how-tos, stuff like that. And right now we're just having fun. We'll show you how this baby runs, and it's just all around good time, if I could say. How about you?
Well, this is the first go-kart I've ever made. Bought it with my friends Nick and Justin. Shout out to them. Without them, this wouldn't be here. Bought this in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and currently we're in Piscataway, New Jersey. So let's see how it goes. Watch out. Stand in the middle, stand in the middle. Look at her, she's zooming. Yeah. Guys, that's the end of the video. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.